Hello everyone, welcome to Fema Cooks and Eats. Today I have a recipe of chicken cheeseburgers for you. Let's check it out. So I have 2 pounds of ground chicken. I have 2 onions which are roughly chopped, 1 jalapeno roughly chopped, 1 large egg, some chopped cilantro, breadcrumbs, some salt, pepper, red chili flakes, cumin powder, and coriander powder. I use a chopper to finely chop the onions, jalapeno, cilantro. I added that to the ground chicken with the egg. I am also going to add all of the spices in this and give it a really good mix. As you can see, I added the breadcrumbs as well. So just add everything together in a big large bowl and mix. So I'm sorry guys, I didn't make a video of making the patties individually, but here I have a pan where I added a little bit of oil. I made the patties and I'm going to cook them in this oil on a medium heat until they are golden on both sides. And that's it guys, these are so easy to make. My patties are ready. Here's a bun that I toasted with some butter. I'm adding some spicy mayonnaise on top of each side. I'm now adding lettuce on top, and it's your choice if you wanted to add lettuce. You can add lettuce. I also sometimes add arugula. I love the combination of arugula with the chicken patties and the cheese. I'm adding some tomato slices, some onion slices. I'm going to top the patty with some cheese. The warmth of the chicken patty is going to let the cheese melt, but if it doesn't happen, you can always pop this burger in the oven at 400 degrees for just a couple seconds until it looks all melted. It's delicious, guys. You have to try it out. And that's it everyone, these burgers are so easy to make and they are so delicious. If you like this recipe, subscribe, like, and comment. Don't forget, cooking is a skill we all can learn. See you next time.